Hello everyone. So my name is Rohit, and I welcome you all in my first YouTube video. So I will be giving you hints and tips regarding your placements in coding round. So let me give a brief about me. Like recently, I cleared Code Beta with an globally rank of 114, and I also cleared so many MNCs and then got offer from companies like TCS, Infosys, Accenture, Tajatech, Velocity, etc. So guys, without wasting any time, let's get started. So today I will be solving a coding questions that comes in Tech Mahindra. So this is the question, and before starting the questions, I want to tell you something. Like for clearing the coding round, you should be focused on very few things. Like you should understand the question, because if you understand the question, you have just solved the 50% of the question. So let's get started. So basically, I will be solving the questions in Python language, and this is my compiler. This is PyCharm. Okay, this is the questions that comes in yesterday's Tech Mahindra's coding round. Okay, so the question is find the difference between largest and smallest element of an array. So here the inputs are 5, 3, 8, 6, 9, and the size of the array is 5. Okay, fine. So firstly, we have to take the size of the array. So n will be the size of array and the input. Fine. So this is the input for n. I will be doing the things line by line and make you and I try to solve in a very easy manner so that you can get all the things. Okay, fine. So this is the input for array size n. Okay, and now next we will be taking input array. So this is list map. Okay, fine. So here we will decide the type of input. So this is number, so int type. Okay, fine, comma input. But here you can see that there is a gaps between the elements of the array. Okay, so we will split it. So split function, fine. So we are done with inputs. Okay. Next we have to find the largest, and so let us try to solve the try to understand the question. What's the question says? I know this is a very basic questions, but I want to make you understand firstly with the syntax, like how to take inputs and all. Okay, so okay, start. Find the difference between largest and smallest element of array. So what we need to do first, we should have largest and smallest element of array. Then we have to subtract the element from largest to the smallest. Okay. So okay, fine. We have an array. So we will be finding first smallest element. We are using min function, and we are taking. So here we are having a min element, like a minimum smallest element, and we are storing it in mn. Okay, so further we are finding max element. Okay, from the array. Yeah, so now I have both like max and min element of the array. Now I have to do the subtraction. Okay, so mx minus mn. Okay, fine. And now we have to print the element. Fine, x. Okay, now you can see run it. Okay, so 5 size of array, 3, 1, 8, 6, 9. Fine, 8 is the output. So as you can see, like the smallest element is 1. Fine. The largest element is 9. So 9 minus 1, output is 8. You can see here also. Like so, this is a very efficient way to solve the questions, because I have so many people getting panic while they are coding around. So guys, you should understand the very few syntax, and so that you can solve all the coding questions very easily, because in MNCs they are asking a very basic concepts of questions, I mean very easy questions. So if you practice all these things, you will be very easily you can solve those questions. So for I will be bringing so many coding questions of these companies. So if you guys like my video, please share it to your friends also, and like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much guys for watching my videos.